Does your mama love seafood? Then treat her to a seafood feast this Mother's Day. Here are my top 4 recipes that you can make this Mother's Day for your seafood-loving mom. Here's everything you need for your seafood boil. Full amounts will be in the caption below. In a large stock pot, add some lemons, some onion, some garlic, bay leaves, and this seasoning right here, the straight drop seafood boil. Everything your seafood boil needs to make that flavor bussin'. Get it from unforgettable.com. Add your potatoes, let it boil on high for 15 minutes, then add your sausage, let it boil on high for 5 minutes. Next, add your frozen crab legs and your frozen shrimp. Then also add your frozen corn. Give everything a little stir, make sure everything's well combined. Now cut that heat, cover, and set it to the side. Now let's make that big back butter. Bring half a cup of water to a boil in a medium saucepan over high heat. Reduce your heat to low and gradually add 1.5 sticks of butter, cold butter that is, until it's emulsified and thickened. Now let's upgrade that butter. Add some parsley, a couple shakes of hot sauce, a little Worcestershire sauce, and then right here, the Delta Dust. This is that Cajun seasoning you need. It's like Papados in a bottle. Mix that all together, turn off the heat. By the time that big back butter is done, your seafood should be all cooked. Now grab your favorite platter and dump all that seafood on top of it. Then give it a fresh glaze of that big back butter all over the top of that seafood. And then we're gonna give it a little shine with some more of that Delta Dust. All seasonings are available at unforgettable.com. This seafood boil is guaranteed to get your back nice and big for summer. Full recipes in the caption or just visit the link in my bio. That's good, shawty. Now here's some of the ingredients you need for this catfish. First, you're gonna need some garlic. Go ahead and mince up a couple cloves of that. If you love a lot of garlic, use a lot of garlic. Set it in a bowl. Grab a lemon and zest it into that same bowl. Grab your parsley and give it a nice chop just to add a little bit more freshness to this dish. Add some olive oil to bring this all together. And then for flavor, we're using that Delta Dust blackened seasoning. The best way I can describe the flavor is like Papados in a bottle. Cajun flavors on 100. Get it from unforgettable.com. Add some lemon juice and give everything a nice mix. Now we're gonna season up our catfish with the Delta Dust, and then we're gonna pour that beautiful marinade all over those fillets. Try to let that sit in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, but if you have a little bit of time, go ahead and let it ride in there for an hour. Now all you gotta do is slide these in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 to 15 minutes. No grease, no fried catfish smelling up the house, just a nice, beautiful, healthy alternative for dinner tonight. If you'd like this full recipe, make sure you visit the link in my bio. And oh yeah, make sure you bring your hot sauce too. That's good, shawty. But before we dive into this grilled salmon and mango salsa recipe, let's talk about its origins. Did you know that this dish was actually inspired by the cuisine of immigrants who came to the United States from Central and South America? These immigrants brought with them a rich culinary heritage which has influenced American cuisine in countless ways. This grilled salmon with mango salsa is a perfect example of how immigrant culture has impacted cooking. The salsa is a delicious combination of sweet and tangy flavors with the addition of fresh cilantro and lime juice, giving it a zesty kick. When paired with perfectly grilled salmon, it creates a flavor explosion that is sure to be bussin'. If you want to see more delicious food like this, I have the perfect show for you. It's called No Borders, Just Flavors, available on United We Dream's YouTube. Make sure you look for your Uncle Dibbz on there too, shawty. So next time you're in the kitchen cooking up a storm, remember to appreciate the cultural diversity that makes our cuisine so unique and delicious. But enough talking, let's eat. That's good, shawty. Boil some water and cook your pasta. In a large pan, go ahead and melt some butter, add your shrimp, and then for flavor, we're using that straight drop rub. Get it from unforgettable.com. All the spices you need to bring this dish together. Once your shrimp is cooked, remove it and set it to the side. In that same pan over medium heat, go ahead and add your garlic, some baby spinach. Once that starts to cook down, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Once the cream starts to bubble, add your pasta, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and then add your shrimp back to the mix. Go ahead and mix that up, grab a bowl, and you're good to go. That's good, shawty.